Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I'm going to do kind of a purple toned look. I will admit it's not particularly spring light, but it's kind of the colour I wanted to go for today and play with. So yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to go in with the In Transit Camera Close Up, the Mask, Moisturiser and Primer in one, just to prep and prime my skin. Now I know I usually use my hand for that, but actually if I then go in with this product, the Dr. Huska bronzing tint, and because I'll still have some of that primer left over on here, it actually blends everything kind of, not blends it better together, but it all kind of meshes nicely together and creates one kind of bronzing primer, which I think works really well. So yeah, I'm going with the Dr. Huska bronzing tint. Then I'm going to get my Hint Beauty concealer, and I will use this as foundation and as concealer for today's look, I think. Again, using the exact same brush, so then it all kind of melts nicely together. This is the Blank Canvas E20. No, F20, sorry. Okay, then going in with the 100% Pure Bamboo Powder to set everything in place. So I did get a request, I think I mentioned this in my Real Time Get Ready With Me, to do a wedding day makeup look that's cool tone and then one that's warm tone, as they couldn't decide which to go for their wedding day. Now I am going to do it as my next video, but I'm not going to label it as a wedding makeup, just because I know right now all social kind of mass social events have been cancelled, so many weddings have been cancelled, so I don't want to appear insensitive and stuff like that. I'm not sure when this person is getting married either, so I'm just going to do it as, I'm going to just quite a glam cool tone and a glam warm toned look, which can be used for anything really, but it is going to be focused kind of around what I would do for a bride. And the looks wouldn't necessarily just be for brides, that you could go out and, if you're going out, you can use them. Not that any of us are going out at the moment, because obviously we can't. But yeah, so I just thought I'd let you know that that's what's going to be in the next video, but I'm not going to label it wedding makeup because I just think it might be a little bit insensitive and stuff like that with everything that's going on. So yeah, so that's my next video. But I'm going to quickly bronze up my skin using the B Matte Bronzer. But if I do get requested videos, I do, and I say I'm going to do them, I try and like stick to my word and do them. But I just thought, yeah, I just won't necessarily label it that, because obviously with everything going on, so many people's weddings have been cancelled and stuff, which must be obviously really upsetting. Okay, I'm going to go with highlighter next. I'm actually going to go with Pink Diamond Dust from Ether Beauty and use that as my highlight today. I'll just pop some just under the brow bone as well. For blush, I'm going in with the 100% Pure Healthy Blusher. Ooh, that's probably a bit much. Let's work this in. Go over it a little bit with the brush. I use foundation, kind of more pat it over, just to tone it down ever so slightly. Okay, so moving on to eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and prep them as always with my Lovelula eye primer. I'm fast running out of this completely. And whether I'll still be able to get hold of it, I don't know what delivery, if we do go into lockdown, I don't know what kind of delivery thing is. Obviously I'm on my no buy, 3 month no buy, which could end up being longer, but I said like if I needed to replace something, that doesn't count. So this would be something that I would need to replace, but I don't know what the rules are going to be with deliveries and stuff like that, so I may have to go down a different route with that. Okay, I'm going to take then the SoulTree Purple Haze Crayon, and I'm going to start working this onto the outer portion of the lid mainly. Actually, do you know what? I'm just going to go all over the lid. Like this. Then I need a brush of some description. And then I'm going to go ahead and just blend and soften the edges. And I will of course wing this out because that is my preferred kind of style. Like that. Then I'm actually going to take some more of the blusher now and kind of load up the outer portion just to deepen it. Okay, so maybe it's more like a pinky or deep pink look as opposed to purple, but and then what I'm going to do is take the highlighter I was using, so the Pink Diamond Dust from Ether Beauty, and use that actually in this inner portion. Because I thought actually the kind of pinky purple tones and this more, I guess, rose gold-ish type of highlighter might actually work quite pretty together. And then all I'm going to do is kind of repeat the exact same on the lower lash line. So go with Purple Haze first, run it along. Buff it out. Like that. Throw in a bit of the blusher, sorry. Mainly on the outer portion. Give it a bit of a tidy up. My concealer brush, and then obviously go with the highlighter to kind of intensify the inner portion, so it kind of, yeah, everything matches from the lid to the lower lash line. Perfect. Now I'm just going to load up my lashes with mascara. Okay, for lips, I am going to go a bit deeper. Well, not really deep, but a bit bolder with the lip. So I'm going to take 100% Pure Wine Cup lipstick. And yeah, going with that. These are so smooth. And I'm just going to use my concealer brush to kind of soften the edges. Because I've been really enjoying that recently, where you kind of like, yeah, not have so much of a harsh lip line. What I am going to do is I am going to go with the gloss. Now the gloss is no longer available. It was a Christmas edition one from Lovelula, but as I'm trying to use up my makeup, I just wanted to use it and I think it worked quite nicely. So it's just like a purple tone gloss. It has got some gold reflex in it. It's the shade Big Bang, but obviously you could just go with like a normal gloss or a deeper kind of gloss. Like I said, it's not particularly spring-like, but this look was kind of what I was in the mood for, and the colours and stuff. And I really like how it turned out. It was very simple to do it on the eyes. I've been kind of really enjoying doing the more simple looks at the moment with not too many shades, so it's like easy to recreate and stuff. And obviously not that we're going to be wearing this to go anywhere at the moment, but it's always quite nice to occasionally do some fun makeup look just for yourself and things like that. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this makeup look. Like I said, the next one will be my kind of glam look that's cool toned and a warm tone that is aimed at weddings or brides, but obviously I'm not going to, like I said, label it that because of everything going on. I know so many weddings got cancelled, so I don't want to upset anyone. And like I said, the looks can be used for other special occasions, but I got requests to do it, and I promised that I'd do it, so I'm still going to do it, but yeah, just not label it that as such. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave any requests for features down below, and I'll see you in my next video.